We'll start our Banker's algorithm problems. See, very first problem I have given you. Consider a system with the 5 processes P0 through P4 and 3 resource types. Okay, this is the new concept because in CPU scheduling you have come across processes P0, P3, P4 you have studied, and this 3 resource types is a new concept in Banker's algorithm. So 3 resource types A, B, C. Resource type A has 10 instances, means A is some resource. It may be printer, it may be mouse, okay, it may be input out any memory input output device, okay. So such A resource is having 10 instance. Instance means copies, 10 copies. Okay, resource type B as a 5 instance, means suppose if it is a mouse, so mouse is in 5 numbers. Okay, and resource type C 7 instances. 7 maybe printer. Okay, it is in a 7 copies. Okay, suppose that at time T0, okay, the following snapshot of the system has taken. So this is a snapshot of a system, means it was in a execution state and meanwhile we took a snapshot. Okay, so in such a snapshot, what are the things we are going to see? See, you have processes P0 to P4. So allocation matrix, max matrix, available matrix. These are all the data structures used for the Banker's algorithm. Okay, so let us see what is this max. Max means suppose you have a process P0 and the max is going to tell process P0 requires resource type A in 7 number or 7 times. Okay, and process P0 requires resource B 5 times. Okay, process P0 requires resource type C 3 times. Okay, so in the same way process P1, P2, P3, P4. P1 requires maximum of 3 copies of the resource type A. Okay, 2 copies of resource type B, 2 copies of resource type C. Okay, and then coming to the allocation matrix. Allocation matrix means process P0 maximum it required 7 copies. When we took the screenshot, it was allocated 0 copies. Okay, random ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ಶಾಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗುವಾಗ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ P0 ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು 7 ಕಾಪೀಸು, ಬಟ್ ಆ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ಶಾಟ್ ತೆಗೆದಾಗ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ P0 ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಲೋಕೇಟೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಎನಿ ನಂಬರ್, ನನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸ್ A is allocated to process P0. Whereas process P0 is allocated with the 1 copy of the resource type B and it is not allocated with the resource type C, again it is 0. Same way going forward, process P1 allocated with the resource type A. Okay, it requires maximum of 3 resource. Okay, for example keyboard ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 3 ಸಲ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, ಆದರೆ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ಶಾಟ್ ತೆಗೆದಾಗ 2 ಸಲ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅಲೋಕೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಥರ ನೋಡಿದಾದರೆ ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಬಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬೀನ್ ಗಿವನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಸ್ 2 times. The same way resource type C is not given but it requires. Okay, so coming to the process P2, P3, P4, same way they require in this number. When we took a screenshot, it was allocated like this. Okay, still this to be continued. So how we need to continue? So we need to perform Banker's algorithm. Okay, so till now it was in a execution state, we took a screenshot, now we are continuing this execution manually. Got it? So what is this available? So available means here after allocating the resources, okay, maximum resources is this much, okay, requested by the process, and it was allocated few in numbers, and what are all the available resources left out? Okay, initially he has given A resource 10, okay, and the B resource 5 and the resource type C 7. Okay, you can actually calculate this one. So that is C, you can addition this one vertically, so it will be 5 and this will be 2 and 5, it is 7, and he has given A 10, B 5, C 7. After allocation, so what is the sum? 7 to 5. These are all single numbers. Okay, you should not read 725. It is 7 to 5. Okay, you less this one. 10 minus 7 is 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. 7 minus 5 is 2. So after allocation, the left out resources is 3, 3, 2. Okay, actually this is question part only. This is question part only. So why I calculated in this way means, sometimes what happen, you will not give this available part. Okay, you will give this part. A is 10 resource, B is 5, C is 7 instance. Okay, and you will give allocation matrix. So you will not give this part. So in such conditions, you need to take these three numbers like this, and then do the addition of these three columns and minus that one, you are going to get the available. Okay, usually he is going to give available. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಡೇಟಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, 10 ನಂಬರು, 5 ನಂಬರು, 7 ನಂಬರ್ಸು, ಇದು ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಲ್ಲ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಅವೈಲಬಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಾಗ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. Okay, so in this question actually it was given. So this is a question part. So data. Okay, so first question here is find out need matrix and check the system is in safe state. If so, give the safe sequence. Okay, so find out the need matrix. Need matrix means you need to calculate, he requested 7 resources and he was not allocated any one of that resource, so still how much he need. Okay, so that is a need matrix. Okay, so we'll see the solution part in the next video.